Forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, we've got a storm system that's going to bring flooding rainfall and accumulating snow and just absolutely miserable weather to the area by tomorrow. There's the low. It's a cold upper low. It's got cold air aloft and it's also pulling cold air in it. In fact, I just checked Mobile, Alabama. It's 45 degrees right now. And around Pensacola, Florida, around 45 on the beaches. So it is a cold day in North Florida, and this is a winter storm watch, winter weather advisories. There's going to be a freak 6-inch snow likely in parts of Mississippi before this is all said and done. It's been changing back and forth from rain and snow in this area. Now, the upper low is going to lift northward, and notice the conveyor belt, all of this rain being funneled up into Indiana. So not only is it going to bring a lot of rain to us with some snow mixing in at times, but as the low moves to the northeast tomorrow night, we're going to go to all snow, and there will be some accumulation with that as well, and there certainly will be a lot of wind. In fact, during that snow event, winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. But first things first, the rain now coming back in. We've got light rain falling in the Lafayette area, heavier rainfall coming up from the south. So the rainfall intensity will increase. It will become steady from south to north as the evening wears on and the wind will start to crank up. Speaking of the wind, boy, what a raw day today. Overcast skies and the turbines turning in downtown Lafayette. Temperatures only running in the 30s. It's 36 at the station with some light rain now. We had reports of some wet snowflakes mixing in near Fowler where it's 36 with that rain. 37 Monticello, Burlington, and 37 at Rochester. And for the evening, the rain increases and there will be some wet snow mixing in at times. Temperatures pretty critical around 36, but check out that wind. It's going to start to crank up north at 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusts to 30 by 11 o'clock. Barometric pressure lowering, so it's just going to feel just raw and uneasy outside tonight right through tomorrow. And then it keeps raining. It's going to rain all night tonight, wet snow mixing in at times, rain tomorrow, wet snow at times. That will lead to areas of flash flooding and certainly a lot of river flooding later this week. Creeks and streams will really start to come up as well. We'll go to all wet snow later tomorrow evening. Again, winds gusting up to 35 miles an hour. And then a little break before a little more light snow arrives on Friday. Lows tonight about 34 to 38 degrees with the rain around and a little wet snow at times. I tell you, if there's any accumulation, it would be a brief slush on your windshield, and that is it. Highs tomorrow, 35 to 39. They won't change much. Very windy from the north, widespread rain. Just a nasty, nasty day. Notice on Futurecast, widespread rain, a little wet snow mixing in, especially some of these heavier bands of rain tonight into the day tomorrow. But then tomorrow evening, notice how we go all blue. We'll go to all snow with the heaviest band. Looks like it's going to set up in our eastern county. See this dark blue here before the snow slowly starts to come to an end by late tomorrow night. The raincast, again, up to 4 inches of rain by Fort Wayne. As for us, 2 inches Rochester, Winamac, 1.66 Lafayette, and that is rainfall on top of saturated ground. Snowfall, Monticello, Remington, Lafayette, Attica, Crawfordsville. This is tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Grass will be whitened about 2/10 to close to an inch of snow in places. Around an inch, perhaps an inch and a half, Winamac down to Burlington. Now, Peru close to 2 inches. Then as you head up towards Fort Wayne, 2 to 3 inches of snow. And where the really good banding sets up, it looks like some places could get 6, 7 inches out of this. Partly cloudy Wednesday, 34, 16, perhaps even some single digits Wednesday night, Jeff. And then notice how it just stays consistently cold, 29 for the high Monday.
Yep, welcome to December. Right?
It's here.
It is here. All right, thanks, Chad.
Okay.
Good to see you this afternoon. Well, coming up, the State Department of Health says the highest number of errors were reported last year. We'll break down its annual